Hello. Today what we are going to see is a very simple CSS JS for changing the background color of a navigation items according to the section we are in. Okay, this is a very simple basic layout I have created using a Bootstrap framework. Here is the coding, navigation bar and the divs. But this is a very simple one page website. Okay. When we are using a Bootstrap framework, when we want to change the background color like this, like the home is showing the background color to black to show me that show the user that what page it is actually on. When we are creating a multi-page website, we want to show the user that if this user is on home page or an about page or products page or contact page, we want what we want is we want to change the color of the background of navigation items according to the page, according to the click or the page that user is watching, checking. When we are using a Bootstrap navigation bar, we have to set the class active. I guess you know this already, that we have to set the class active for the list item for the page we are in, so that it will show the background color as black or whatever it is set. When I'm on some another page, like if you are on a about page, we have to set the class active, cut from home, paste it on active, and change the color to black. It will change the color of about to black. It will show me that I am in about page or the user is on about page. But this works fine with multi-page website. But when we are creating a single page website like this, it won't work, as we have to manually change the class each time according to the page section, according to the page. But we can't change this class here according to the section we are in. So we want a very simple trick for changing the background color of the navigation item according to the section we are watching or checking currently. So what we will do is we will simply delete this class, and it will delete the background color. I will show you the simple script, JavaScript, for changing the background color of the navigation bar, and the script is quite simple. I will show you this current. What we are doing here is selecting all the A tags and adding some click event to it. Now to this event, I will add this function. This we have set it. What we are doing is we are selecting the A tags, adding some click event to this, and we will add some function to this. Now in this function, what we are doing is we will select all the A tags again like before, add some CSS property to them. The property will be background color. We will set this background color value to none. Again. Okay. Now what we are doing is selecting using this keyword. I don't know if you know this keyword, but I will explain this in a short while. Again, I will change the background color, set the value, but this time it will be set to black. I hope this will work. Let me check if this works. Okay, the home section, we are in home section, and the background color of this home section is changed to black. If I want to watch the context section, great, we are in context section, we are watching context section, and the background color of the contact is changed accordingly. This is working perfectly fine, and it is changing the colors according to the section we are in. Why this is working? Let me explain the script to you a little bit. What we are doing is selecting the A tags, adding the click event to the A tags, and adding some function to it. In the function, what we are doing is selecting all the A tags here and adding the CSS property of background color to none. as we don't want any by default background color to any of these links, so the background color will be set to null, and we are using this keyword. What this keyword does is, this keyword selects the item or the tag we are clicking. If we are clicking on about, it will select the about. This keyword will select the whatever it is, the tag we have selected it, and the function is performing on whatever it is. It will select that tag and change the background color, or whatever function we are performing. It will perform that function on the selected item, and this is selecting all the others. So it is going to select, it is going to set the background color of all the other a tags to none, and this will select the current a tag and set the background color to blank. So whatever section, whatever link I'm clicking on, it is changing, it is selecting this link, changing the background color to black, and it is selecting all the other links as well and setting the background color to none. But whenever user lands on your page, okay, whenever user lands on your page, first of all, we want it to show that that user is on home section. So what we will simply do is, we will add some styling, but make sure that you are adding the styling to the a tag, not the list tag. Okay, we are adding the styling to the a as background color to black. So it will by default set the background color of the home section to black. So whenever user will land on your page, it will show that the user is watching the home section, and when it will click on the about section, it will move to about, and the home section will have the background color to set to none, and the background color of about will change to black. So this works perfectly fine, and I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.